Welcome to today's video, where we'll uncover the hidden value and fascinating story behind one of the most unique and collectible old USA 1-cent coins. This small piece of history holds secrets that make it far more special than it looks, and coin lovers around the world are always eager to know its true worth. First up, the United States 1-cent coin of 1959 without a mint mark is one of the most fascinating issues in American numismatics, largely because it marked the beginning of a new era in the Lincoln cent series. For collectors, it is more than just a small copper coin. It represents a pivotal transition in U.S. coinage history, blending artistry, symbolism, and national heritage. While millions of these coins were struck, certain rare varieties, unusual conditions, and error pieces elevate a few specimens to extremely high levels of value. Its appeal lies not only in its potential worth but also in its cultural significance, which makes it one of the most desired finds among enthusiasts and serious investors alike. The year 1959 was especially important because it introduced the Lincoln Memorial reverse design, replacing the iconic wheat ears that had adorned the penny since 1909. This design change was not simply aesthetic, but was part of a broader movement to modernize America's coinage while celebrating Abraham Lincoln's 150th birthday and 50 years of the Lincoln cent. The Philadelphia Mint, which struck the no-mint mark version, was responsible for producing vast numbers of these coins, yet only a fraction possessed the features that attract advanced collectors today. The coin reflects not only a celebration of Lincoln's legacy but also a symbolic representation of mid-20th century America, which was undergoing significant cultural and political changes. Visually, the 1959 cent offers a timeless beauty that continues to impress. On the obverse, Victor David Brenner's enduring portrait of Abraham Lincoln appears in a right-facing profile, showcasing detail in the president's features that still inspires admiration. The reverse, designed by Frank Gasparo, features the Lincoln Memorial with remarkable precision, and with magnification, one can even see the statue of Lincoln seated within the monument, a remarkable artistic achievement for such a small denomination. The coin measures 19 millimeters in diameter, weighs 3.11 grams, and was struck in bronze composed mostly of copper, which gives it the warm, reddish tone collectors favor when preserved in pristine condition. The element that truly defines its desirability is rarity in certain forms. Although common examples exist in circulation-worn condition, high-grade uncirculated coins with sharp strikes and original red luster are much scarcer. Even more significant are the error coins, such as double dies, off-center strikes, or the famous disputed 1959 D wheat reverse cent, which is one of the rarest Lincoln varieties ever discovered. Condition also plays a vital role. A heavily worn or dirty coin will usually command little interest, but a mint-state coin graded MS-65 or higher by a trusted service like PCGS or NGC can bring hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on the exact variety. From a market standpoint, the coin's value can vary dramatically. A typical circulated 1959 no-mint mark cent may be worth only a few cents, but rare mint errors or high-grade pieces have been known to sell for anywhere between $3,500 and over $5,600 at major auctions. The contested 1959 D wheat reverse cent, though debated, has sold in private transactions for six figures, showing the extremes collectors are willing to reach when rarity and mystery align. Market demand for Lincoln cents has remained strong for decades, and this particular issue continues to benefit from its historical and transitional importance, making it a steady performer in the numismatic world. For those looking to add one to their collection, careful evaluation is crucial. Collectors should study the fine details of the design, paying close attention to sharpness of strike and preservation of luster. Certification by a leading grading company ensures authenticity and helps protect against counterfeits, which occasionally surface with rare varieties. Safe storage in protective holders prevents environmental damage, especially since copper is prone to spotting and toning. The best opportunities to acquire valuable pieces often come through reputable dealers, numismatic auctions, and specialized coin shows where experts can help verify quality and authenticity. The story of the 1959 Lincoln cent without a mint mark is one that resonates far beyond its face value. It captures the turning point from the wheat cent era to a modern design that would remain in circulation for 50 years, and for that reason, it holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. Its beauty, historical symbolism, and potential for exceptional rarity make it a coin that continues to inspire fascination. In the end, what elevates the 1959 no-mint mark cent is its combination of history, artistry, and the chance of uncovering something extraordinary hidden in an ordinary coin. While not every example is valuable, the rare ones serve as powerful reminders of how small details can transform a simple copper piece into a prized treasure. For both seasoned numismatists and new enthusiasts, it represents not just a collectible, but a tangible connection to America's story and a potential long-term investment in the enduring world of rare coins. Next up, the United States 1-cent coin from 1965 without a mint mark is a remarkable piece of numismatic history that continues to attract the attention of collectors worldwide. At first glance, it may appear as just another small copper coin, but upon deeper study, its importance and desirability become clear. For many, it represents not only a vital part of the Lincoln cent series but also a coin tied to a turbulent period in U.S. monetary history. Its appeal lies in the blend of artistry, history, and the occasional ultra-rare variety or error that elevates an ordinary coin into a highly sought-after treasure worth far beyond its face value. The year 1965 was a transitional one in American coinage, marked by the Coinage Act of 1965, which eliminated silver from circulating dimes and quarters. While the cent itself retained its bronze composition, the act had broader effects that influenced production and minting practices across denominations. All cents of that year, including those struck in Philadelphia, bore no mint marks as part of a government effort to discourage coin hoarding during a nationwide shortage. Thus, the 1965 no-mint mark cent is historically linked to a pivotal era when Americans were grappling with changing coinage metals and widespread public concern about the future of currency. From a design perspective, the 1965 cent retained the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln by Victor David Brenner, which had already been in use for more than half a century. The obverse displays Lincoln in sharp relief, facing right, with the words, "In God We Trust," arched above, "Liberty," to the left, and the date below. The reverse, designed by Frank Gasparo, features the Lincoln Memorial in striking detail, a design introduced in 1959 to commemorate Lincoln's 150th birthday. The coin measures 19 millimeters in diameter, weighs 3.11 grams, and is composed of 95% copper and 5% zinc, giving it the traditional reddish-brown tone that remains a hallmark of the series. Although tens of millions were minted, rarity enters the picture when one considers condition and error varieties. Circulated and dirty examples remain common, but uncirculated coins with original mint red luster are far scarcer and command significant premiums. Error coins from 1965, including double die obverse, die breaks, or off-center strikes, are highly collectible and can drastically increase the value of an otherwise ordinary cent. Because mint marks were intentionally excluded in that year, varieties must be sought in strike quality, die characteristics, and preservation, which makes finding an exceptional example especially rewarding. In terms of market value, the differences can be dramatic. A circulated 1965 cent in average condition typically holds minimal premium over face value, but coins certified in high mint state grades such as MS-65 or MS-66 can command anywhere from $4,200 to $6,500. Ultra-rare error examples, depending on type and eye appeal, have been known to sell at major auctions for several hundred to even a few $1,000s. The value is largely driven by collector demand for transitional era coins and the desire to own well-preserved specimens from a historically significant period. Collectors interested in pursuing the 1965 no-mint mark cent should pay close attention to several factors. Identifying coins with sharp detail, original mint color, and minimal spotting is key to maximizing long-term value. Certification from a leading grading service such as PCGS or NGC provides both assurance of authenticity and an objective evaluation of grade, which can be critical when buying or selling rare errors. Proper storage in non-PVC holders or airtight capsules helps protect copper's sensitive surfaces from tarnish and corrosion, thereby preserving both beauty and value. Acquiring coins through trusted dealers, well-regarded auctions, or coin shows ensures greater security and potential access to the finest examples available. The significance of the 1965 cent lies not only in its design and composition but also in its connection to a turbulent economic moment in U.S. history. For collectors, it is a symbol of change, resilience, and adaptation in the nation's coinage system. Its beauty, combined with its scarcity in exceptional grades or error forms, ensures its place as a compelling collectible that bridges the gap between common circulation and numismatic rarity. Ultimately, the 1965 1-cent coin without a mint mark offers something for everyone, from beginners to advanced collectors. Whether viewed as a piece of history, a work of art, or a potential investment, it continues to captivate those who seek more than just currency in their collections. While most examples remain affordable, the rare and pristine pieces stand as reminders that even the most ordinary coin can hold extraordinary stories and exceptional value when preserved through time.